everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable DNS settings in Brave browser. So to start, you need to open the Brave browser app first. So click on the start menu and look for Brave and tap on that to open it. Now once opened, tap on the three lines at the top right or the hamburger menu. Now scroll down to the bottom and look for settings, then tap on that. Now once you're on settings at the left side, you need to go to privacy and security. Now once you click privacy and security, at the right side, tap on security right here. Once you tap on security, you have two options here, safe browsing and advanced. Now go to advanced and make sure you turn this on. So make sure you turn on use secure DNS to enable it. If it's gray, that means it's turned off. So just toggle it on just like so. And down here, you can also select DNS provider. So if you click on the drop down arrow, this is where you can pick a DNS provider. You can leave it on to OS default, which uses your computer's current DNS settings, or choose one of the available providers listed in Brave. If the DNS provider you want is not shown in here, you can set it up manually in your operating system. Then simply come back here and select OS default, so Brave uses that custom setup. Now, once you've chosen your option, the changes take effect right away. And that's basically it. So again, you need to go to the three lines at the top right and you need to go to settings. Then what you need to do here is to go to privacy and security, then go to security and go to advanced and make sure you turn on use secure DNS and select your DNS provider. And that's basically it. That's how you can enable DNS settings in Brave browser. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.